help, and more. And I don't necessarily mean more help, I mean the more command in Windows Command. I'll explain. In Windows Command, the command prompt, there are many commands you can enter. It's unclear sometimes exactly what those are. One of the commands you can enter is a command called, not surprisingly, help. When you run help, it displays a list of a number of commands that are available by default in Windows Command Prompt. But you can see that they've scrolled off the screen. That's where the more command comes. So instead of saying just help, we'll use help followed by the vertical bar, also known as a pipe character, and the command more. This would be help piped through more. What more does is it displays whatever's coming in its input one screen at a time. So now we can see one screen worth of the help information. Hit the space bar and it displays the next screen. Hit the space bar and it displays the next screen, and so on until all the information has been displayed. The help command will also give you help on a specific command if you want it. For example, if I were to say help more without the pipe, that gives me help on the more command and tells me what's in that more command and what options there may be. Once again, the information is longer than the screen, so we type help more piped through more. Now what we will see is the help information about more one screen at a time. Any of the commands listed here can be used as targets of the help command. For example, if I were to say help dir, I'm going to go ahead and pipe that through more so I get it only one screen worth at a time. I get help on the directory listing command. Help is a very useful command line tool, and the more program is a great way to make sure you can see the information before it flies by.